Today I'm taking a look at the YIYEIE 5-piece tap and die ratchet set. Do like the case, and there is the set. So you have two tap holders. We got a large one and a small one, and we got a bar that we can use as a handle for those. So as a standard square style holder, let's loosen that guy up, and that will open up the tap chuck. On the top we got a hole, and our bar can slide in there. So you can just use that like any old tap handle. You can also see we got a hex right here, so we can grab that with a wrench if we want, and we have a 3/8 adapter on the back. So that is what this is for. So we got a push button release to drop that detent, and that will lock in. So we can take this, we can put that into our tap handle. We got this collar on it, drop in our adapter, and we can put the collar back on. Very nice having a ratcheting option, just because that way you don't have to put your hands in odd positions trying to get that tap to go in smoothly. That is reversible, and that is designed to fit dies. And something that's interesting about this one, because this one has all those teeth on it, we can actually line that up, drop it in, and lock it down. We don't even have to take this ring all the way off. So I got a set of dies here. There are a lot of different sizes of dies. This is the most common, and that is exactly what this fits. So we can drop that in there, and that is the perfect size. I got a hole drilled right here. I want to tap that hole. So I want to make sure that we are going nice and straight. That's cool. I didn't realize it did that, but this guy can actually open up so you get a little bit more torque. That's neat. Much nicer than having to use the typical ones that just use a bar like this, just trying to get that turned like that. It is nice having that option, but this is a much more pleasant tool to use. Okay, we are in. And we have got a tapped hole. So overall, that is a very nice tap handle kit.